Hey everybody, welcome to week 2. In this week we are going to learn about data transformation and data modeling. Data is present everywhere, and before making decisions we are required to make data ready in such a format that we should be able to make decision from it. So let us understand what is data modeling first. Data modeling is the process of organizing and relating data from different sources into a structure which supports reporting, analysis, and business logic. In Power BI, this involves importing data into the Power BI data model, then defining relationships between tables, creating calculated columns and measures, and optimizing data for performance and clarity. So let us understand in data transformation what we do. Data is going to come from different sources. Like whenever we want to make any decisions based on data, data will come from ERP. Some portion of data it will come from ERP. Some of the data might be present in our computer. Some of the data might be present with our vendors, and so on. So when we are fetching data from multiple sources, the data is not actually ready for making decisions. It means we are required to do some transformation into the data so that the data will become ready for making decisions. So by collecting data from or fetching data from different sources, what we are doing? We are doing extraction of the data. So ETL process, extract, transform and load. So first what we are doing? We are collecting data from different sources. After that we are doing transformation. So transformation is the process of data modeling, because here we are required to do so many different steps so that data will become ready for further processing. We will take one example. We are going to work with sales data sets. In this sales data set, right now I kept it very simple. I kept 4 different tables. The first table is sales transaction, second one is customer, third one is products, and another fourth one is regions. So we are going to work on this data to understand how data transformation and data modeling works. So let us see what is there in this table. Before understanding table, we need to understand relationships. So these 4 tables, they are required to get connected with each other, right? So in sales table we will be having details of customers and details of the products. Region, it is connected to the customers. Why? Because customer belongs to different regions. So we can have one to many relationship. So in Power BI, when we will see in the relationship table, we will be able to see that 1 and star, that is how it is going to be depicted in Power BI. Then it will be many to one and many to many. So one to many, like one customer is buying multiple products, and when we do reverse of this, that is going to be many to one, and many to many, many customers are buying many products. Fine. So these are 3 different types of relationship which we will use in Power BI. Now let us see the data. If you see carefully here at the bottom, we have got first one, this one, sales table, right? Then we have got customer table, product table, and regions. These 4 tables we are having, which just now I have shown to you. Sales, customer, product, region. See here, sales, customer, product, and regions. So these 4 tables we are having. In sales table we have got sales ID, customer ID, product ID, and date on which sales has happened, and then we have got how much amount we received and what is cost of that product. So these details has been given in the sales table. These type of tables where all the measures has been captured is known as fact table, because it is capturing all the facts. Now customer ID, if you see here, we have got 1 till 5 different customers ID. We can have thousands of customers also. For the demo purpose I kept it just 5 customers. So if you would like to know what is name of the customers, in this fact table it is not present. So then what we need to do, how to know what is name of the customer? We will go to next table which has got details of customer. So if you see the another table, customer ID, here also we have got customer ID. We have got 5 different customers. Name of the customers are Alice, Bob, Charlie, David and Eva. Fine. So these 5 customers we are having, and these customers belongs to which region? So these 3 regions we are having, 101, 102 and 103. So all 5 customer belongs to any of these 3 regions. Next we have got product table. So if we go to the next table, the product table, we have got product ID. Check what products ID are there. We have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are selling only these 5 products. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is coming in the sales data. And if I would like to know what is the name of the product 5205, what I need to do? I need to come here and check what is the name of product 5, and this is 205 keyboard and it belongs to accessories category. So you can see that these tables are connected with each other. Customer is connected with this customer ID, product ID is connected with product table, and the fourth one is region table here. So we have got 3 different regions which is right now in this data, 101, 2 and 3 regions. Region is coming where? Regions is coming in the customer table. So this table is connected with this one and this is connected with this one, right? And customer is connected with again the region table. So this is right now the structure of our table. So we are going to see it now in Power BI, how we can load the data and how we will be able to pull data with the help of relationship. Now let us see demo in the Microsoft Power BI. Here is Microsoft Power BI and I am going to connect with my data which I have shown just now to all of you. Clicked on Excel and I am going to the folder where I have got data. Load data. This data you can use for your practice also, which is attached in the resources. Click on this and open the data. Now in the navigator window you can see the 4 tables which I talked about: customers, product, regions and sales. I am going to connect all these 4 tables together. So click on the checkbox just before this. You will be able to see the customer data, customer ID, name and region ID, which I have shown to all of you. If I click on product, product ID, product name and category. Next one is regions, region ID and region name, and the sales table in which the product ID is there and customer ID is there, and then we had amount and cost and the date of the sales. So if I would like to know what is the name of the customer, from sales table it is required to go back to the customers table and look what is name of the customer. For example, if I will take customer ID 4, okay, so what will happen, it will go to customer table and look for the 4th customer ID, and name of the customer is David and he belongs to region ID 103. Again come back to the sales table. if I would like to know about any of the product, say which is product ID 205, again I need to come back to the products table, click on this, and what is product ID 205? It is keyboard and it belongs to the category accessories. Right now all these four tables are independent, but the moment we are going to load into Power BI, what will happen? Power BI is able to understand that how to make connection among these tables automatically. So let the data get loaded, and after that we will see that how those tables, all these four tables are going to get connected with each other. All data has been loaded: customers, product, regions and sales. Now we will come to this side. We have got report view. When we will create report, it is going to come here. We have got table view. So customer ID, we have got 1 2 3 4 5 customers, and customer name and regions. When we select product tables, the product table is being displayed here. When we select region, region is displayed over here, and we connect on sales, sales is being displayed over here. But I am interested in checking the model view. So what is going to happen in the model view? Just see carefully. The main table or fact table is what? Our sales table. Can you see? So with the sales table, we have got product and customer table connected, which we already discussed. Customer ID in the sales table is many times. Wherever customer ID in customer table is coming one time. You can see here 1 and this place is star. It means it is what? One to many relationship. In the same way, product ID is coming in the products table one time, whereas in the sales table product ID is going to come many times, 1 to star. Okay, now what is the logic? Why in customer ID I want customer to come once, or why in the products table I want product ID to come once? The reason is, any customer, when they are coming to us, or the customer, if a new customer comes to us, we are going to give him a unique ID number. So suppose a new customer name, say Sam, he is coming to us. So we will give him a customer ID 6. Now if any another customer is going to come, I cannot assign him the same ID 6. The reason is, if same ID is going to be assigned to him, it will create confusion. It will create a problem, because then ambiguity in the data is going to come. So all the customer ID are going to get different numbers, unique number, like PNR number you are getting whenever you are booking flight tickets or airways ticket, fine, flight ticket or railway ticket. So the PNR number is required to be unique for every tickets booked, because this will help them to understand all details related to the journey. In the same way, once a customer is coming, for him we need to give a unique ID. In the same way, for every product we are going to give a unique ID. So same customer cannot be given two different IDs, or same ID cannot be given to multiple customers, otherwise it will create lot of confusion, lot of ambiguity. Fine, and that is the reason in we say it as a primary key, and primary key always kept as a unique value, and it cannot be a null value. Whereas in the other table where it is connected, it is known as what? Foreign key, and foreign key can comes multiple times. So one customer, like one customer is coming to us, we have got all his details. Now he can buy products many times, that's why here it is coming star. In the same way, suppose we are selling dairy milk chocolate, fine, dairy milk chocolate of 5 rupees. So it is not that once we have sold second time we are not going to sell. So all dairy milk of 5 rupees we might have given a unique product code, unique product ID, and we are going to sell it many times, and that's why here it is one times and here it is many times. Now this type of schema where we have got central fact table and with that multiple tables are connected, this is known as star schema. Right now we have shown only 2 tables, but we can have multiple tables also in this connected with it. So like that type of structure is known as star schema. Now what is snowflakes? Now all other dimension table, these are dimensions table. So all other tables with that also, if other again some other tables are connected, then it is known as snowflakes schema. So right now like region is connected to the customer. So this is structure of the snowflakes, and if we consider only sales table and customer and product, it is star schema. Fine, but we can have multiple tables also. For simplicity we took right now just these 4 tables. So hope you have understood that how it is connected. But suppose I would like to know customer name wise sales. Will it work in Power BI? Let us check. So we are going to report view now. So what I told, we would like to fetch details by customer and how much sales for each customers we are getting. That's what we want to find out. Now we are going to create report. We will take customer name which is in the customer tables and amount which is in the sales table. They are different tables, but let us see how beautifully Power BI is able to understand the connection and it will be able to create report for us. So I'm going to click on the first report, which is stacked bar chart. The empty stacked bar chart came here. So we have to add data fields. So amount is the data field and customer name. Customer name is coming from different table, which is customers, and amount is coming from another table, which is sales. And you see here Power BI is able to understand, and then from the table customer it took name of the customers: David, Alice, Bob, Eva and Charlie, and how much sales happened for each of them. Sales means amount, how much money we got from them, that we are able to see. So 2 different tables, but still we are able to get the information from it, and we are able to understand who has given us maximum profitability in terms of amount. David is the best customer, whereas Charlie is the worst customer. We'll take another example. Region wise amount. For this I am going to take pie chart. Don't click on this. If you click on this and click on pie chart, this will be replaced by pie chart. So click outside, so that selection will go, and click on pie chart. Empty pie chart came over here. Now I am going to take region into legend. So expand it, take region name, put it into legend. So you can see 3 different regions we were having: east, north and south. It came, and then we want to find out how much amount we got. Put amount in the values, and we are done. So let me arrange it here, and very clearly we are able to see that east we have got maximum amount coming from, followed by north and south. Now I would also like to know amount and cost for customer name, product name, etc. So I'm going to create a table now. Again, selection, remove selection by clicking outside. I'm clicking on this table. Table came over here. So in this table I want first customer name, which is coming on from one table. I'm going to take product name, which is coming from another table. Now, how much cost for each of these products and how much amount we got from these products. So, for these 4 different columns which are coming from multiple tables, I am able to fetch it. I also want regions to come. Region is right now not there. So take region. Region is connected with customer table, right? So I'm going to region now, and I'm taking region name and going to put just next to the, just next to the product name. So for each of these products, we are able to see these details. Fine. Alice, Bob, which product they have bought, how much total amount we have got. If you click on this arrow, it is called focus mode, and it will come in the full screen. So we will be able to see that how the different transaction has happened according to the customer name, product name, and region name. Click on back to report, and we will go back over here. Now I'm going to take one more stacked column chart, and in this we will take customer name, put it in the x-axis, and amount in the y-axis. So according to different customer ID, we are able to see how much amount we have got. I also want to know how much cost was there. So just put it below this, and since it is stacked bar chart, we are able to see the cost versus amount. And if you click on different charts, different types of values are, different types of visualizations is going to come. Fine. So hope you have understood the power of connecting multiple tables, that is relationship among different tables. We are going to learn now different types of queries in the next section. Thank you.